Hello student, hope you are fine and enjoying your study. Games खेलना तो सभी को पसंद है. When you play games, you feel happy. There are many games that you like to play. The games help us to be fit and keep us energetic. Games like hockey, football, kho-kho, volleyball, etc. Some games you play outside the house, maybe in the ground or in the field with your team. Some games are played inside the house, such as carom, ludo, etc. Games are of two types, indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games are those games which are played in a room. For example, chess, carom, games of cards, ludo, pool games, table tennis, etc. Games which are played in a large area or in grounds like cricket, football, hockey, horse riding, etc. There are many benefits of playing games. It improves coordination, improves problem solving skills, enhances memory, improves the brain's speed, improves social skill. It is a great source of learning. क्या आपने कभी रेस में पार्टिसिपेट किया है? अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ तो रेस किया ही होगा आपने. आप क्या फील करते हैं रेस के बाद? यू फील सो टायर्ड और भूख लग जाती है. It helps you to keep healthy. When you run, you feel tired and hungry. After that, you eat food. That helps you to be fit and fine. It helps you to lose your weight. It reduces blood cholesterol, strengthens bone, increases bone density, etc. ये तो हुई गेम्स हेल्थ और फिटनेस की बातें. So let's read the poem Run by Mary Dawn. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Let's understand the poem. Here the poetess asks the children to run. As the poetess knows the benefits of running, she inspires to run and enjoy. She says to run away from the city and in the sunlight, out of the countryside, etc. She further says to run in the rain, run under the shade of the trees, enjoy the breeze in confident way. Now let's move to questionnaire. Question number 1. What does the poem tell us to do? The answer is, the poem tells us to run. Second, do you like to play and run? Why? The answer is, yes, I like to run and play, as it makes me cheerful and keeps me happy along. The third question, is it safe to run on the road? Answer is, no, it is not safe to run on the road. Students, we live on land. You may have seen the pictures of different types of land on television. The different types of lands are known as biomes. These are divided in 4 classifications: desert, forest, grassland, and tundra. Land biomes are typically defined by the type of vegetation they possess, the type of animals that inhabit them, and their climate, such as rainfall and temperature. The number 1 is tundra. Tundra is a wide open space of land. It is the coldest of biomes. The tundras are known for frost-molded landscapes, extremely low temperature, little precipitation, poor nutrients, and short growing seasons. Desert. Deserts fall into 2 categories: hot and cold. Hot or dry deserts have sparse vegetation and animals that can only adapt to living in extremely hot temperatures. Cold deserts have precipitation in the form of snow or rain. Grasslands are a type of land that has a number of different climates, animals, vegetation depending on where in the world they are found. They contain trees, various types of grasses, flowers, herbs, etc. There are two types of grasslands, tall grasslands and short grasslands. Tall grasslands are typically humid and wet, while short are dry and hot. Forest. Forests occupy approximately one-third of Earth's land area. There are three categories of forests, classified by their longitude: tropical, temperature, and boreal. Now the time has come for the task. Grassy lands are called pastures or meadows. Find out the names of few other land types with the help of the letter clues. And here are your sentences. Lowland between the hills. Vast sandy land. Land on which no vegetable is possible. Land having rich soil to grow food. Land near sea. Land of persons birth of citizenship. And here are your clues. Can you complete the first one? It is barren. The second is coast. Next is desert. Next is valley. Next is country. And the last is fertile. Let's know the lands one by one. Lowland between the hills is called valley. Vast sandy land is called desert. Land on which no vegetable is possible is barren. Land having rich soil to grow is fertile. Land near sea is called coast. Land of persons birth of citizenship is country. Now it's practice time, and here are your questions. Question number 1. Sometimes while running you might fall and hurt yourself. What will you do then? Will you cry? Second, write the name of three outdoor and indoor games. Third and last, name the four types of lands. Now it's time to leave. We shall meet again in the next video. Till then, keep on studying and take care of your health. Bye.